Naghahanap ka ba ng fully furnished na house for rent? Ito ang smart at practical na housing solution para sa mga empleyado at corporate teams. Kung ikaw ay empleyado, HR admin, company owner o team leader na naghahanap ng maayos, kumpleto at sulit na tirahan para sa staff o workmates mo dito sa Tanawan City, this might be the perfect opportunity for you. Sa panahon ngayon, malaking ginhawa ang may tahanang malapit sa trabaho. Kompleto na ang gamit at budget-friendly ang monthly rent. At kung convenience at comfortable ang hanap mo, this unit delivers exactly that. Why this unit is a smart choice? Location: Barangay Darasa, Tanawan City, Batangas. Malapit sa Walter Mart, Tanawan, Faith Colleges at Mercado Hospital. Property type: fully furnished, 3-bedroom townhouse. Perfect para sa employees, corporate staff, housing o a small group of professional. Magkano? Only 15,000 to 18,000 per month. Bakit? Kasi fully furnished na siya. This rate is absolute value deal, lalo na kung sharing sa workmates o sponsored ng company. What makes this townhouse stand out? Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na ang maliwalas at homey feel. Ideal para sa mga empleyado na gusto ng komportableng uuwian pagkatapos ng trabaho. And because it's fully furnished, hindi mo na problema ang gastos sa gamit. Dahil complete features: 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom with heater shower, fully furnished living area with couch, sofa set, aircon installed, refrigerator, gas stove and range wood, dining table and chair, 1 double deck and 1 king size bed with complete kitchen area. Lahat nandito na. Literal na lilipat ka na lang. Para sa HR admin departments, malaking advantage ito. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng appliances. Hindi na kailangan mag-set up. Move in ready plus secured na space for your team. Why rent this property now? Ang demand sa fully furnished rental sa Tanawan ay mabilis. Dahil malapit ito sa Walter Mart, sa Faith Colleges at Mercado Hospital. Kadalasan, unit like this get reserved within days dahil the perfect combination ng prime location, complete furnishing, ideal for staff or employees, affordable monthly rate. Kung naghahanap ka talaga ng titirahan mo na hindi na kailangang gastusan ng malaki upfront, this townhouse is a high value option. Kung interesado ka, message me now. Pwede ka magpa-schedule ng site viewing, humingi ng more photos, or itanong ang full details ng rent. Send a message today. We'll assist you right away.